Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Ira. I'm from Ukraine. I'm 20 years old. I used to live in a little town Ladan in Chernihiv region, but now I am a student and I live in Kiev without my parents. My brother Sergey is also studies in Kiev. He is a 21. He studies at the pedagogical faculty. He is a really good guy and he always helps me like a good elder brother. And despite the fact that we always quarrel, we have a strong and close family relationships. My mom is a housewife and my father is a farmer. He has got a couple of hectares where he grows different kind of crops for sale. So from my early childhood I have been taking part in our family business. As for now, I'm studying at the Faculty of Ecology at the National University of Life and Environmental Sciences of Ukraine. I'm a fourth year student and I'm going to get academic degree of bachelor this year. My parents are very proud that I'm studying at the Agriculture University because my knowledge will help us in our family business. They think it is very respectful to have an education in this field. During my education, we had a lot of practice on research areas, farms and fields. As usually, a student of our faculty have practice twice a year, in autumn and in summer, duration 3 weeks or even more. Their responsibilities are looking after plants, harvesting, sorting of vegetables, working in the storage, packing and so on. As for me, it was an excellent experience because it is very important to combine theory and practice. And therefore, any practice, it is a good opportunity to improve my skill and get acquainted with new technologies. And besides my education, I'm really fond of sports. I like to play football, table tennis and volleyball. I have been playing football for 6 years, and due to my leadership skills, I was a captain of a women's soccer team. We took part in many competitions, and 2 of them were the national Ukrainian competitions, and we took the first place. As a captain, I received a second rank in football. I had a lot of awards, including 28 medals, diplomas and goblets. I think through to the sport I've become more organized and responsible, hardy and tolerant, and finally learned how to work in a team. Generally, as for me, any experience, it is a great way to test yourself, a good opportunity to learn something new, and I think this job is will be very useful for me, and I will be very useful to you, and I'm sure that I handle with this job. And this all, and I think goodbye and see you later.